if you want to do some side hustles from home, I've got some great ones for you right now. So the first one is to go to AIM, and this one will help you to sell your photos. If you've ever posted some photos on Instagram, maybe it would be a good idea to share them somewhere else and actually get paid for it. And this is where AIM comes into play, because AIM is a great place to actually sell your photos and anybody can buy them. There are people that are making $300 per photo, so if people buy your photos over and over again, this one is a great one because you will be actually making some money just by posting some photos that you would otherwise be posting on Instagram or anything like that. So obviously you want them to be aesthetically pleasing, but you don't have to be some kind of great photographer. You just have to take photos of some landscapes that you like or something like that, and this will help. Now the next one is YouTube thumbnails. There are a bunch of people that don't like to do thumbnails or are not great at it. They'll go to some websites like Fiverr.com or something like that, and they will try and find some freelancers. Now this is where you come into play, because you don't have to be a graphic designer, know how to use Photoshop or anything like that. All you have to do is go to Canva.com and there'll be some YouTube thumbnail templates, and you can just start doing them that way, or you can just play around with it. So obviously you want to go for a low price at the beginning, but as soon as you start getting a few clients, then you'll be able to bump up the price and just do that right from home, doing with not that much skill. The next one is going to be in the same vein, and this is going to be video editing. Now, as I said, there are some YouTubers that don't like to do thumbnails, but there are also some YouTubers that don't have time to do the editing. And these people are going to go to Fiverr again, but maybe you can also outreach to some YouTubers. I do everything myself, so don't go out and reach out to me. But if you find some YouTubers that want their editing to work well, then that's where you come into play. And there are some free softwares that are very simple to use, like iMovie if you're on Mac, or CapCut if you prefer that, and that's the one I use. I'm on Mac as well, but it also exists on PC. All you have to do is just download it. And that one, in my opinion, is the best, but then you can just start editing some videos for other YouTubers or for YouTubers and start to charge some money, because video editing, there are a lot of people that are looking for it. And when I say YouTubers, there's also some companies that just need some editing. So all you have to do is learn that skill and then start to sell that skill. So the next one is to become a Google Ads specialist. Now, you might be thinking, I've never run a Facebook ad before, I don't know how to do this, and there's no way that this side hustle is going to be for me. But I do have a solution for you, and that is skillshop.withgoogle.com. And that website is made by Google, from Google, so it tells you everything that you need to know in order to run some ads. And there are people that are making a fortune on Fiverr just by doing this, as you can see right here. So you don't have to be super skilled, you don't even need to know how to run some ads before. Just go through that class that is 100% free, and then you'll be able to sell it and make a bunch of money, because Google Ads is some skill that a lot of people are looking for and that can make companies money. Think of it this way: if a company is selling products that are very expensive, let's say $3,000, and you charge them $1,000 to do this, then they'll be very happy to pay you $1,000 in order to make $6,000 back, and you only need to bring them a few leads, like 3 leads. So it's very simple to actually scale up that way, and you can charge even more. Make sure that you're selling it for a high enough price, and that can get you some money. And go through that class that is 100% free. The next one that not many people have heard about is no to low content books. When I say that, that means that people are looking for some notepads. People are looking for some puzzles for their kids, or maybe themselves if it's a complicated one. And there are some ways that you can do this. On Canva, for example, again, that website is very simple to do, and you can just sell those on Etsy and make some money just by doing some books that have absolutely no content, or some puzzles that have just an image that you decided to make. And that is something that is very untapped that not many people know about. Now, if you want to know some online businesses that not many people know about and probably you've never heard of, make sure that you click that video right here. That is going to show you exactly how to do it. And also make sure that you're subscribed to this channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.